Imagine arriving in a new country with nothing, no money, no connections, just a dream. Now picture that same person, a few years later, owning a business, investing, and making six figures. Sounds impossible, it's not? Thousands of immigrants have built wealth from nothing, and today, I'll show you how they did it and how you can too. Welcome to Immigrant, where we break down money, business, and investing for immigrants who want to thrive. If you're ready to take your income from $0 to $100,000, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Before we talk strategy, let's get inspired. Here are 3 immigrants who built wealth from nothing. Jan Koum, WhatsApp founder. Jan arrived in America as a poor immigrant from Ukraine. He lived on food stamps, but he didn't let that stop him. He taught himself coding, co-founded WhatsApp, and later sold it for $19 billion. Damon John, Fubu founder. Damon, son of an immigrant mother, started selling handmade clothes on the streets of New York. With persistence, he turned his brand, Fubu, into a $6 billion empire. You don't have to be famous to succeed. Many immigrants start small, whether it's a side hustle, a local business, or smart investing. What matters is having a plan. Success isn't magic, it's about taking the right steps. Here's how you can start building wealth today. Most wealthy immigrants didn't rely on just one paycheck. They started businesses, side hustles, or freelancing gigs. Whether it's selling on Amazon, freelancing online, or flipping items on eBay, find a way to make extra income. The fastest way to go from $0 to 6 figures is by learning a valuable skill. Coding, sales, digital marketing, copywriting, these skills can turn into a full-time income and even a business. You don't need thousands to invest. Start with what you have. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or even crypto, the sooner you start, the more you grow. Here's a secret: most successful immigrants didn't do it alone. Networking and mentorship are game changers. In fact, many self-made millionaires credit their success to the people they surrounded themselves with. A mentor can save you years of struggle by showing you what actually works. The good news, finding one has never been easier. Start by following successful immigrants in your industry, watch their content, join their webinars, and if possible, reach out for advice. They say you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you're always around people who complain about money but never take action, chances are you'll stay stuck too. Find communities that push you forward. Many immigrants don't realize that success is also about who you know. If you want to get a better job, grow your business, or find new investment opportunities, networking is the key. Even online communities can connect you to people who are already succeeding. Let's be real, nobody comes to a new country just to struggle forever. You came here for a better life, and that means taking smart financial steps. Start a side hustle or business, learn a high-income skill, invest early, and surround yourself with successful people. That's how immigrants go from $0 to $100,000 and beyond. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more content on making money, business, and investing as an immigrant. Let's build wealth together. See you in the next video.